Welcome back to another delicious keto Chinese recipe. Today we are making keto Kung Pao Chicken with clean and low carb ingredients with simple keto swaps. Watch the full video to find out the keto friendly substitutes. Let's start by preparing the chicken. Wash the chicken breast and cut into slices. Then marinate with salt, pepper, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar. Add an egg, and we are going to add almond flour instead of regular flour. Now almond flour also can give you the perfect crispy texture. Mix well and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now let's prep the veggies. Chop the spring onion white parts into big chunks. And finely chop the green parts. Finely chop the garlic. And we need dried red chilies for this particular recipe. Break the chilies, remove the seeds and keep the parts. Time to make the sauce. In a bowl, add soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, any hot sauce of your choice, a little almond flour for thickening, add salt and mix well. Our keto friendly sauce is ready now. Now heat a pan, add little oil and fry the marinated chicken pieces. Fry them until golden and completely cooked. Take them in a bowl. In the same pan, add grated ginger, grated garlic, spring onion white parts, and the red chilies. Saute for a minute. Then add the prepared sauce. Add little water and mix well. Now add the crispy chicken pieces. And toss everything together until the sauce coats every bite. Instead of roasted peanuts, we are going to add roasted almonds. Crush the roasted almonds. Add the crushed roasted almonds and chopped spring onions for that signature Kung Pao crunch. And there you have it, a bold, spicy and absolutely guilt-free keto Kung Pao chicken. Serve it hot with some extra crushed almonds and spring onion on top. Try it out and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy low-carb recipes. See you in the next one. Bye.